Once upon a time, in the heart of the rainforest, lived Quetzal, a bird unlike any other. She was vibrant, with feathers that shimmered in the sunlight, and a voice that echoed through the trees. Quetzal was admired by all creatures, but she was most admired by the small, timid, and humble Parrot. Parrot was captivated by Quetzal's beauty and wished to emulate her. One day, Parrot approached Quetzal and asked, "How do you make your feathers shine so brightly?" Quetzal replied, "My feathers shine because I value honesty, kindness, and humility. When you embody these qualities, your true beauty will be revealed." Parrot was disappointed. He wanted a quick fix, something he could do to look like Quetzal without changing his character. He decided to find a magical solution. Parrot sought the help of a wise old owl, who warned him, "Be careful what you wish for, Parrot. True beauty comes from within." Ignoring Owl's words, Parrot ventured far and wide, seeking a magical potion to change his appearance. He came across a shady character, who offered him a potion that would make him as beautiful as Quetzal. Parrot eagerly accepted and drank the potion. At first, he looked stunning, but soon, his beauty turned into a curse. His feathers became dull and lifeless, and he lost the ability to fly. Parrot realized his mistake and returned to the wise owl, begging for help. Owl told him, "Your beauty was never the problem, Parrot. It was your heart that needed change. Humility, kindness, and honesty were what made Quetzal beautiful. You must learn to embody these qualities to find your true beauty." Parrot returned to the rainforest, humbled and determined. He worked hard to become a kinder, more honest, and humbler bird. His feathers started to regain their shine, but more importantly, he found a beauty that radiated from within. And so, Quetzal and Parrot lived in harmony, teaching all the creatures in the rainforest that true beauty comes from within, not from a magical potion or a beautiful appearance. Moral: seek inner beauty, for it is the most radiant of all.